To mid-roll or not mid-roll? That is the question. I just killed off a bunch of real actors. There's all sorts of stuff when running a YouTube channel. For instance, you come along and I believe it's now after, is it 8 or 10, something like that, minute in a video. What happens is now something can happen where YouTube will all of a sudden start placing mid-roll ads, if you're approved, into your videos. Now you have to be approved. You have to have, I believe it's like 1,000 subscribers and then like, what is it, 4,000 watch hours or something. I think that's too much. I think it should be maybe 2,000, but I digress. So what'll happen is you'll upload a video and YouTube will all of a sudden decide on its own where to place these ads. I've uploaded videos and I have had them place 5 ads, 4 ads, 6 ads in a 10-minute video, and that's just not cool. The last thing you want to do is just piss off the people who are watching your video with ad after ad after ad. Well, you can control those ads, and it's really simple to do. So here I am, I go over to my YouTube channel, I'm all logged in and everything, and I'm going to select this video. Now they moved this a while ago, but if you just click around and get over to here, you'll see these monetize options. Now you got to scroll down and scroll down and scroll down and eventually see this little place down there that shows where you can actually go edit the number of ads in your video, which you want to do. Let's click on that. Now this thing allows you to add or remove as many ads as you like. You could add 5 or 4 ads all the way through your 10-minute video. I wouldn't do that. That's not cool. What you can do is remove those mid-roll ads if there's too many. Most importantly, and this is the real tip, you get to place where in the video the mid-roll ad would appear. I suggest one for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, maybe 1 ad. If you're getting like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, maybe 2 ads at the most. Remember, you don't want to upset the people who are watching your videos. So I found where the mid-roll ad. Now in all my videos, on purpose, I put a little short 5-second thing that says there may be an ad here with some little cheesy music or something like that. The only reason I put that in there is so I can find this in the video. So I go along and I search and I find that point where I put, there may be a mid-roll ad here and some cute little quip I put on the thing. I know if I'm going to put an ad on there to place my ad exactly there. So I just grab the ad, drag it to exactly where I want it. Right there is where I want it. That's cool. There's no other mid-rolls ads in there. And then I save it. Now obviously I'm going to go over to the video and just scroll to that point where I have that pop up just to make sure it happens in the right place, like this. The whole point is you work your butt off making YouTube videos. There's no reason why you shouldn't collect a little coin. And boy, it's a little. I mean, it's like itty-teeny, tiny, weeny amount of coin for doing these ads. So A, control the experience for the people watching your videos. Don't overburden them with 5 and 6 and 7 ads willy-nilly through your videos. Put something cute, put some little quip in there that there's an ad there, or thanks for tolerating a possible ad here. They don't always show up there, but when they do, you'll be able to control whether they do show up. And next, as a viewer, don't get all yucky on the creator who's just struggling to try and make money and keep his channel going just because he has an ad in there or two. There's a skip button, skip the ads. You can also sign up on YouTube to make sure you get ad-free stuff, and that works. So try doing that with your videos and make the experience for people watching your videos, your viewers, better. Also check out the free courses at Basic Filmmaker University and get some of those smarticles. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. You know, I'm going to actually be making a video soon that shows you all the different things you can do and you can wear and what effect it has on your videos. One of them is why you probably shouldn't wear this striped shirt like this. So that's a preview and a fail.